If you're watching this video and your life seems not to be moving and your YouTube channel is not growing or it's slow in growth, your dream feels slow, then this video might be the most important video you will watch today, because nobody told you this truth early enough. And once you understand it, you can never unsee it again. This channel is called Growing with Creators, and today we are taking powerful lessons from this book, The Secret of the Ages, chapter 2 and 3. Not motivational, not hype, but truth that forces action. If you stay till the end of this video, you understand why some people rise from nothing and others stay stuck forever, even though they work very hard. The power of individuality. Chapter 2 teaches something very dangerous, something school never taught. You are not meant to copy anyone. The moment you start copying anybody, or the moment you start copying, you kill your power. Every human being was created with a unique assignment. Your voice, your story, your pains, your journey. That is your advantage. Here is the creator application of this lesson. Let me talk to creators for a moment. Your channel is not growing, or your channel is not moving fast the way it's supposed to. That's because you are trying to copy someone, or you are trying to sound like someone else. You edit like them, you talk like them, you even think like them. You buried your individuality down inside your subconscious mind. But the world does not reward copies. The world rewards originality, that's being very original, mixed with truth. So, when you finally accept who you are, then life begins to cooperate with you to grow, to exploit, to go to greater heights. Chapter 3 talks about thought, desire, and action. It reveals the real formula to success, or the real formula of success. Thought and desire, action, and then your result. Most people stop at thought. Some others stops at desire, and very few goes to action. Every result starts at thoughts. If your thoughts are weak, then your result will be weak. If your thoughts are confused, then you will live a confused life. Desire. Desire is not a wish. Desire is an obsession. It is the decision that says that I will stop, or I will not stop until I reach my desired goal, or until this very thing works out. This is why some creators blow up after years of zero views. They refuse to quit. Action is the most important one here. And this is the part, and here is the part most people hate. Action. Not perfect action. Not comfortable action. Imperfect, uncomfortable, repeated action. So why am I talking about action here? Consistency. Continue taking the right action. Continue trying. Continue uploading. Continue creating. Consistency beats talent. Okay, let me speak honestly here, or let's be honest about this channel. This channel is still growing. The views are slow, but I understand something now. Growth is not permission biased. You don't wait for motivation. You act until motivation shows up. Here is the secret most people miss. Your job is not to go viral. Your job is to show up. Always show up. Virality is a reward. Consistency is a requirement. So, my fellow creators, if you do really want to blow up, take action, show up, be consistent. Your channel will one day blow up, and you will get the reward of virality. Continue doing what you know how to do best. If this video spoke to you, like it, not for the algorithm, but as a commitment to yourself. Share it with someone who is close to quitting and comment this statement: I will not stop, because creators who wins are creators who stays. Your season is coming only if you do not leave the field.